In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PV function in Excel. Let's start by opening Microsoft Excel so we can follow the process clearly. The PV function stands for present value, and it helps you calculate how much a series of future payments is worth today. In simple terms, it answers the question, how much is future money worth right now? This function is commonly used in financial planning. For example, you can use it for loans, investments, and savings plans. If you're trying to figure out the value of a loan based on fixed payments, or how much you would need today to reach a future savings target, PV is a very useful formula to know. The basic syntax is equals PV, then rate, NPER, PMT, and optionally F5 and type. Written out, that looks like this, equals PV open parenthesis rate, NPER, PMT, optional FV, optional type, close parenthesis. Now let's break down what each argument means. Rate is the interest rate per period. NPER is the total number of payment periods. PMT is the payment made each period. FV stands for future value, and this is optional. If you leave it out, Excel assumes it is 0. Type is also optional, and it tells Excel when payments are made. Use 0 for payments at the end of each period, and 1 for payments at the beginning. Let's look at a loan example. Suppose you want to find the loan amount based on an interest rate of 6% per year over 5 years, with a monthly payment of -200. In Excel, you would enter equals PV, open parenthesis as 6%, divided by 12, comma, 5 times 12, comma, -200, close parenthesis. This returns the present value, which represents the loan amount. Now, for a savings goal example, let's say you want 100,000 pesos in the future. You can use equals PV open parenthesis 5% divided by 12, comma, 10 times 12, comma 0, comma, -100,000, close parenthesis. This tells you how much that future amount is worth today. Here's an important note. Payments are usually entered as negative numbers because they represent cash going out. Also, the PV result is often negative unless you adjust the signs, so don't be surprised if that happens. The easiest way to remember this function is that PV tells you the present worth of future money. And one quick tip before you go, if your result looks wrong, check whether your rate is monthly or yearly, and make sure your number of periods matches that same timing. Months should go with monthly rates, and years should go with yearly rates. That small detail makes a big difference.